To view your products in your e-commerce platform, open the Products page. Select a single product to show its details. For this example, I have selected a motorcycle helmet. To accurately classify your product, enter the data in each of the required fields. This includes the title, description, image, pricing, SKUs, etc. Then, check your product's weight, country of origin, and HS code. The country of origin is where your product has been manufactured, or where the greatest economic activity has taken place to create the product. The HS code is a 6-digit code that universally categorises your product so that customs authorities around the world can identify it. Next, pre-classify your selected product. To do this, scroll to the top of the page, click on the More Actions menu and select Request Pre-Classification. A new tab will then open, and in this example, I will only be classifying one product. However, this process can be performed on multiple products by searching and selecting more of your products. Now, add the destination country or countries you'd like to classify your product for. To do this, simply type the names of the countries and select them as they appear. Once selected, click the Request Pre-Classification button and wait for the Product Pre-Classification table screen to appear. Note the following columns: Destination, the location your product will be shipped to; HS6, the universally categorised code that identifies your product; Tariff code, the local classification number unique to each country; and Stage, the progress status. This is currently in the planned stage. Now, scroll to the right to reveal the Action column. Note that the status is unclassified. To begin classifying your product, click the Refresh button. Wait for the table to refresh, and you will then see that your product has been classified. You will also see that the HS6 code is the same for each country. This allows custom authorities in any country to easily identify your product. However, the tariff code will be different, as this is unique to each country. Combining these codes will increase the estimation accuracy of the duties and taxes associated with your product before sending. So there you have it. That is how you pre-classify a product with EdgeCTP Tariff Tools.